ωραία περάσαμε. Ήτανε σαν κάθε γάμο που έχω πάει όλη τη ζωή μου. Drama, 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 drama.
Very entertaining. Everyone a great job. Yeah. Thank you.
It was amazing.
I enjoyed it very much.
Yeah.
The politics of weddings, the politics of families, the politics of council, all the politics.
There was so much politics on this, and
Everywhere.
nostalgia, music,
Indeed.
emotion, romance.
I love tonight. I love the community side of it, and I love the plays. They bring everyone together. I love
And it was immersive.
Yes.
And like, okay, I'm not Greek, but I got right into it. And I was like, oh, what's going to happen next?
I was thoroughly impressed with the performance tonight. So for the first night, for the actors to perform the way they did, kudos to them.
No, I had a great time tonight. It was fantastic. It was an interactive, immersive production, and it was like being at a wedding. There's a lot of moving parts with this show, so I can't imagine the stress involved to try to bring all those moving parts together for the opening night. It's fantastic.
Ήτανε πραγματικά καταπληκτικοί όλοι. Νομίζω ότι πρέπει να έρθετε να το δείτε.